Welcome to my channel. Tutorial. Helpful. And pasti free access.
Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to create the card design, but from this learning we will grow up our skill use pen tool. So before we start this project, please download the material from the link description. If done, you can go to the file menu, then choose open. There is in my Photoshop, in my canvas here, this is the material from the link description. Now we will start to create this project. Remember, this is just the extra project. Okay, go to toolbox menu, then choose pen tool, here pen tool, and remember in the option tool, make it to shape or shape, not pad but shape, and in the fill color make it to none, here none or no color, and in the stroke color make it to black here. After it, you can also start to create. Just click here and click here, click here, click here, then click here, and don't forget make it to invisible here in layer sector. This is visibility, then make it to invisible, then create the other object. Click here, click here, click here, then click here, remember make it to invisible again, then click the other object like this and make it to invisible again. Click again, click again, and make it to invisible. So now we have the layer shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, and shape 4. And the next object, we are going to create the ellipse tool. Here ellipse tool, you can also go to toolbox menu, then choose here rectangle, then choose ellipse tool. But we not create an ellipse tool, but we will create a circle object. Click like this, circle, not ellipse, circle. Then in the fill color make it to white color, and in the stroke color make it to none or no color, like this. Then you also drag here, then make it to invisible again. And now we are going to toolbox menu, then choose here zoom tool. After you click it, there will be zoom in, here zoom in, and you want to make it to zoom out, you can hold the alt button from your keyboard. Okay, and I will make it this object, use pen tool again here, okay. Remember, you can delete first if you get the problem like this. Then don't forget to make it to fill color to no color first, then the stroke color to black color, and you can also start to create this object. can also in fill color make it to black color again, like this. And if in the layer selector in ellipse 1 layer, you can make it to visible again, so your object will be so like this. I will zoom out first. There is still no color in ellipse. You can click ellipse first, then make it to white color like this. Okay, and it's still same wise. I will start in the shape 1 first. Here there is this object. Click here the pen tool, so the option tool will show like this. Then you can go to eyedropper tool first to get the color from this example. Click here. Okay, pen tool. Then don't forget make it to visible first. In fill color, we will get the color from this example card here. Use the eyedropper before, click, then make it the stroke color to none. Okay, like this. And again in the layer shape 2, make it to visible. Go to toolbox menu, then choose eyedropper. Click here. Automatically we get the duplicate this color. Go to pen tool again. In the fill color, choose here recently used color. Okay, and oh, I forget, sorry. Remember, click the shape 2 first. Here, click here, then in the stroke color to none. Okay, and the shape 3 again, make it to visible. Eyedropper, duplicate this color, go to pen tool, in the fill color, get the recently used color, and in the stroke color make it to none. Again in the layer shape 4, make it to visible. Go to eyedropper tool, yeah, duplicate this color, go back to pen tool, in the fill color, in the recently used color, get it the color, and in the stroke color make it to none. Okay, and the next we are going to create a new object from text tool. We will use the type tool here, type tool, and you can type maybe I will make it the size to bigger, 24, design and graphics. Then you can also go to edit menu, free transform or control plus T, then make it to rotate like this. You can drag here or here. Don't forget to checklist here, design and graphics, make it balance, maybe like this, still not balance, I mean. Okay, now I think it's balanced. and you can also make it the other text here. And for the next step, still same, use the pen tool to create the object and get the color, use the eyedropper tool. Okay, don't forget to try at your home. This is just the extra project. Yeah, you can create this or not. Okay, thank you and see you next week, and bye bye.